Good morning, everyone. I was actually the one who asked question yesterday pertaining to the AI because mine is just only an apprehension because just like what I said yesterday, there have been already a lot of AI apps already elsewhere. So the students can have access, and then eventually once the students are too dependent to the use of the AI, sometimes their critical thinking skills will not be, will really be affected, especially so if they will not actually check on the veracity of the apps. No? But my question for today, sir, because actually some of the question yesterday was answered already from the speakers that I heard this morning. Mine is all about the recent one that we introduced. Aside from the language, because AI can even translate. I was in Vietnam, and then it was easy for me to talk with the Vietnamese people because I use the translator now. So that's something that really aid me to, engage and collaborate with the people right there. Mine is all about cultural differences. Aside from the language, because AI can immediately translate. Now in the Philippine setting, we are to use a springboard to learning a particular concept, like we use our own culture. Well, this AI can also can also convert in that particular setting of the country, where still the concept is there, the concept is still there, but it doesn't actually destroy or come up with disinformation when it comes to a culture in a specific setting. Thank you.
Okay, let me just answer from the point of view of a learner myself, how I actually, from a Kelantan boy, who went over to Singapore to learn English, right, to answer the question.
안녕하세요. 저는 더보즈레다입니다. 저는 수학하고 한국어를 선생님입니다. So we would like to ask, as Korean language teachers, can you suggest AI platforms or applications that would help our Filipino students learn the Korean language faster, and for us Korean language teachers to teach the Korean language easier?
That's not my professional area. Yeah. Because the Korean language teachers, Korean language teachers training program is it's not my department. But I know that they start developing chatbots and tools, but I'm not sure about what are those. So I'll check it and let you know.